If you want to use Glyph bar on a Nothing phone 4a, it is pretty straightforward. The first thing that you can do is you can open the settings, and then in here we can find the Glyph interface settings. In here we can easily toggle Glyph interface just by using this switcher, and also you can adjust the brightness of the Glyph bar. So as you slide over here, or if you tap on these lines, then you can easily adjust the brightness of these LED lights that we have on the Glyph bar. Besides that, we can also set up the ringtone and notifications that are going to be used with the Glyph bar. So if I, let's say, choose the classic mode and go to default ringtone, and if we choose nothing signals, then over here we have the visualization of these Glyph bar indicators. And of course they play as the ringtone plays as well. I'm not sure if they are going to display. Yeah, they do. So we can even see in real time how they show up, how they display these LED lights. Of course, it also works with custom sounds. So if you choose a custom ringtone, it is going to work with the custom ringtone as well. And we can also do the same thing with notifications, as I mentioned. So if we go to notifications in here, then of course we can set up different sounds, different signals that of course also are working, that also work with the Glyph bar. Not only that, we can adjust essential notifications. So for example, if you want to specifically get notification from specific apps or from specific people, and they should use the Glyph bar, then of course you can set it up in here. We also have a couple of features that can be quite useful, like for example flip the Glyph. So you can mute ringtone and notifications when you just flip your phone face down on a flat surface. There's also the volume indicator, so if you turn it on, if you change the volume on your phone, then you will be able to see the volume of your phone on the Glyph bar. There is also the Glyph timer, so when you set up the Glyph timer, once it starts, you can see the progress of the timer on the Glyph bar. And there is also the Glyph progress, which right now is supported only by a couple of apps, but essentially if there's like any app, or at least in this case any of these that we have listed in here, if there's like any progress bar or something, then we can see the progress on the Glyph bar as well. And that is essentially it. Actually, no, there's one more thing. Of course, we can also use the flashlight. So we can use the Glyph torch over here in order to use the Glyph bar as the source of light. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.